In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms in WordPress 2026 step by step. We'll start right at wordpress.com. Open your browser and head there, making sure you're signed in to the account that manages your site. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see your site listed on the dashboard. Hover your mouse over the site card to reveal quick actions, then choose Edit Site. This opens the site editor where you can make changes to your pages and templates in real time. Inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click the plus icon to open the block inserter. This is where all available blocks live. If you don't immediately see what you need, you can scroll through the categories or use the search bar at the top. Scroll down to the Forms section. Here you'll find a set of ready-made form blocks that cover common needs so you don't have to build one from scratch. Pick the option that best matches your goal. There's a basic form, and specialized ones like contact, RSVP, registration, appointment, and feedback. Click the form you need and it will appear instantly on your page at the current cursor location. If it lands in the wrong spot, no worries, you can drag the block or use the move up and down arrows to position it exactly where you want it in your layout. Now customize the form to fit your content. Click any field to edit the label and placeholder text so visitors know what to enter. You can toggle fields to required when something is essential and remove fields you don't need to keep things simple. If you want an extra field, look for the small add control within the form to insert another input. Update the submit button text to match your tone like send, register, or book now. Over in the settings panel on the right, adjust alignment, spacing, and styling and choose colors and typography that match your site's design. Keep accessibility in mind by writing clear labels and maintaining good contrast between text and background. Also, only request information you actually need to reduce friction and build trust. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click Save. Confirm the changes so they're applied to your live site or the template you're editing. That's it. You've added a form and tailored it to your needs. To recap, you went to wordpress.com, opened your site in the editor, used the block inserter to find forms, selected the right template, placed it on the page, customized the fields and styling, and saved your changes. You now have a clean, functional form ready for your visitors.